Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Rutu's Recipe Book. Today I'm going to show you a very easy and delicious recipe called as chicken spicy bites. So let's get started. For this we need 200 grams of chicken, half a bowl of yogurt, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, salt as per taste, oil for frying, and freshly chopped coriander. So guys, first we need to marinate this chicken with all these ingredients. So let's start. I'm adding ginger garlic and coriander paste. I'm adding red chili powder, turmeric, salt as per taste, and half a bowl of yogurt. All right, let's mix this together. Guys, here I'm using boneless chicken. We can use this in a wrap. We can use it on the toppings as a topping on the pizza, and we can also just use it as a starter. Alright guys, so I have marinated this chicken. We need to leave it for about 30 minutes. Alright, so after 30 minutes we can then start cooking it. So guys, let's start cooking this marinated chicken. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil to this pan. It's nicely heated. Now let's add the marinated chicken. Just be careful because it splutters. So guys, as you can see, I've added this marinated chicken to the pan. Okay, just stir it for 2 to 3 minutes on high heat. And then we need to cover and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes till it is nicely cooked. After stirring for like 2 to 3 minutes, let's cover and cook it for 5 minutes more on high heat, and just lower the heat and cook it for about 15 minutes till it is nicely done. So okay guys, so let's see if this is done. Alright, so this is all done. Just one more stir and then we can plate it. So this is how we need the consistency. Okay, it has to be a little dry. Just make sure the chicken is cooked well. Okay, this is how you can check. Okay guys, so let's serve this. It's all done. Let's plate it now. Okay guys, so our dish is ready. So let's garnish this with fresh green coriander. Hey guys, so this chicken spicy bites is ready to eat. If you like this video, make sure you click the like button. Do share it with your friends and family and subscribe to my YouTube channel Rutu's Cookbook for more such delicious recipes. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Take care. Bye-bye.